Class, you are welcome online class. Amar Bhore Amar School, presented by Tarak Chandra Mondol, assistant teacher, Dariana Kasta Kushla Secondary School, Mollahat, Baghat. Okay, dear learners, I hope you are well and you are staying at home. You know, COVID-19 has grasped the whole world, and it is very chronic disease. And I hope you are maintaining health, and you are also. I hope you are using masks, and you are also using hand wash or hand sanitizer. Okay, and no handshake with your friends, and no sittings just in close. Okay, thank you so much. Today I am going to lead a new class. Before that, I would like to say something. In the previous class, we learned about Pahla Boishakh. Okay, I think you learned many things from this lesson Pahla Boishakh, and you have also you are supposed to HW how to observe Pahla Boishakh in your locality. You have given a paragraph. Write 10 sentences how you observe Pahla Boishakh in your locality. Okay, and today we will learn a new lesson. Please, dear learners, look at the board. Okay, dear learners, this is a river. This is a picture of river. I am staying this side and I would like to go that side. And to cross the river, I need a boat. To cross the river, I need a boat. Okay, this is the boat. By the help of boat, I can cross the river. Understand? This is the picture of boat. This is a picture of boat. This is a paper boat. So today's lesson, what is the lesson of today? The ferry boat. Today we are going to learn about the ferry boat. Okay. To read a river, to cross the river, we take help by boat. Okay, thank you. Now come to learn new words. Okay, the ferry boat and unit 4, lesson on. Page number 42. Dear learners, open at English 42, page number 42, unit 4, lesson on. Title: the ferry boat. Okay. Before going to the lesson, we should learn new words. Fly. Fly is a new word from this lesson. What is fly? To travel. Fly means to travel. Journey. Trip. Okay. Another new words. Star. Another new word. Star. Star means items, elements or articles. Stuff means. Okay, that is also another new words. ferry, a boat or a ship that carries people. Okay, ferry means a boat or a ship that carries people. Okay, understand? Please again, fly means to travel, trip, journey. Stop, items or articles. And ferry means a boat or a ship that carries people. Okay, dear learners, now come to option A. Option A, you can see here the picture. Here's the picture, and here are many peoples. All the peoples are sitting on a boat. Okay, you can see, and you can see also 3 questions under the picture. Okay, dear learners, read the questions and answer the questions. Your answer is correct. Okay, dear learners, what are the first questions? Where can you find this kind of boat? Where does the boat carry passengers across the river, and why do people use country boats? Okay, here are 3 questions. Right, please write the answers. In your answer script, you will get 3 minutes time. Okay, please finish it. Okay, dear learners, time is up. Now come to option B. In option B, read the text and answer the following questions. Okay, here's the text. You should read the text carefully. And I am going to write here 3 questions. Who had an experience, PRIENC, who had an experience to cross the river. This is the question number 1. Question number 2, what was the size of the river? What was the size of the river? What are the size of the river? The second question, another question. From which direction? From which direction did the wind blow? Okay, dear learners, here I have given 3 questions for you. What is your duty? Your duty is, please read the text, B option, read the text carefully and find out the answers of these questions. You will get 5 minutes time. Understand? Okay, please read silently and read the answers in your answer script. 5 minutes time. Okay, time is up. What is the first person? Who had an experience to cross the river? What is the answer? I think you wrote the right answer. Answer is Jamil. Who had an experience to cross the river? Jamil had an experience to cross the river. This is the answer, Jamil. And answer of second question, what was the size of the river? What is the size of the river? The answer is here. It was not a big river. That means the size of the river was small. Okay, you will get the answer. You will get the answer 8 line. You will get the answer line 8. Okay, this is the answer. It was not a big river. This is the answer. Okay, what is the answer of third question? From which direction did the blow wind? Okay, you will get the answer here. The wind started blow from the northwest. Okay, northwest direction. Northwest. This is the answer. Okay, thank you for writing the answer. Now, take the best answers. Okay, you can see. Take the best answers. Here are 4. This is the questions. 4 options. Here are 6 questions. Okay. Please find out the answers. Then I will make correct this. You will get 3 minutes time. Okay, start please. Okay, what is the answer of one? A ferry boat was plying on river. Here playing means option will be C. Answer is option C. Option C. Okay, understand? Now come to option 2. Why was everybody trying to get into the boat? What is the answer? Answer option is D. Option is D. Here answer is D. Now come to option 3. The boatman requested the people to wait because what can be the answer? Gaze. Oh yes, correct answer is B. Option is B. Okay, now gaze. Option B. With too many people on board, the boat sank. You have the phrase on board means. Oh yes, correct. Answer is A. Answer is A. Okay, now come to 5. There are no casualties. The statement tells us that. Sure, you said right. Option is C. Your answer is C. And what's the last one? Last answer, option B. The boat was unable to carry any more people. Option B. I hope you did well. Okay. This is the answer. C, D, B, A, C, and B. Okay, dear learners. One option is left. Option C. Here are 3 questions. Read the text again and type out the questions from the text. Okay, you will get 3 minutes time here. Okay, stay class and write the answer. What the answer is correct. Okay, dear learners, time is up. I hope you wrote the answers and you will show these answers next class. Okay, dear learners, I am going to finish the class. Before finishing the class, I will give you a HW home task. Home task. Our class was about ferry boat. HW for tomorrow. What is the importance of boat in the rainy season in your locality? Okay. What is the importance? Write 10 sentences. Write 10 sentences about the importance of ferry boat in the rainy season in our locality. Okay. Write 10 sentences. Okay. These are board. Again, see these boards. What is the importance of board in our locality using rainy seasons? Write 10 sentences. And when school will be open, you should show this answer to your respective teacher. Okay, understand? Thank you so much. You have enjoyed. I hope you have enjoyed the class. And don't forget to use marks and don't forget to use hands wash. Thank you so much. Thanks.